Right, the Speedmaster XL. As the name suggests, it's got an XL viewing area compared to the Speedmaster 2, and this measures 100 by 60mm, so a greater viewing area for any weld zones. So again, you can use this for MIG or MMA, but it is also more suited for any TIG work. It's got a minimum sensitivity of 5 amps, so any low amp TIG work is ideal. All the adjustments are on the inside. You've got a weld grind mode switch. So when in grind mode, the mask will not darken at all, which stays at a shade 5. You've got a really handy self-check button. So before you even start welding, you can press that button and check that your mask is actually darkening. You've got 3 dials. On your left is your sensitivity from low to high. In the middle, you've got shade adjustment from 9 to 13. And then on the right, you've got your delay adjustment. It's powered by your solar cell on the front and 2 internal Li batteries, which can be replaced. They just pop out nice and easily, and they're your flat sort of round type. And we estimate those to last around 6,000 hours, so a really good battery life. Also, that self-check button that I mentioned inside, above there is your low battery indicator. So if that ever illuminates, that's telling you that your batteries are running low. Full adjustment on the headgear with nice front padded for your forehead. The upper part has size adjustment, and also the rear, which is done with a dial, which you just push in and move left to right to loosen and tighten. The dial on the side is important. If you loosen that right off, that will allow you to change how close or far away it is from your face. But also the tension on that dial will differ how the mask reacts on your head. So if you tighten it right down, you have to physically move the mask, loosen it right off, and it just stay down. If you put it sort of in the middle, just a nod of the head will bring it down nicely. It's all personal preference, and just do what works for you. It comes fitted with an outer and inner lens to protect your auto darkening filter. You also get one of each spare in the box, along with your owner's manual. How you replace them is nice and simple. The best way I've found is to actually remove the ADF from the mask. There's 2 small clips inside that just push across. 1, 2, lift from the bottom, take your ADF out, and then you're left with the ADF. So it's important to be careful because now the auto darkening filter is exposed. So you don't really want to get any fingerprints or touch it if you can help it. At the top above the R-Tech writing, just pull that up and remove the ADF itself from the plastic frame. Turn them over. So then you're left with your inner lens. There's small indents for your fingers on the sides. Get your finger underneath there, slide them out, and that's it removed. So then with your new one, just slide them in from the left or right, push them all the way across until it clicks in, and that's your inner done. Put the ADF back into the plastic frame, set that to the side, and for the outer you go from the inside of the mask. I push from the outside, that pops him out, and then just pull him out. So the outer lens is housed in this rubber seal, and all you do is just slide him upwards, and out he pops. To replace it, remember which way it came out, and just pop him in. Slide it down, ensuring that it's fitted all the way around the edges securely, and then reassemble. So pop him back in, it just pushes in, nice and easy. Refit your ADF, and then just your clips go back in. Make sure it's all nice and secure in there, that it's not going to fall out, and you're done. So there's the Speedmaster XL. Great features, great value for money, really good all-rounder, but it is the one I would point to if you're going to do a majority of TIG work.